Hey guys, quick review on my AC Infinity oscillating fan. I've been using these AC Infinity grow clip fans for quite a while, and they just work really good. One of the things that I do love is that you can see I have a wire running up there from it. I have that going over to my AC Infinity controller. So I love that it has the function that allows me to hook it up and kind of control the environment. So if it gets too humid in here, too stuffy, whatever, I can just set different parameters for my light, or sorry, for my fan to control when it comes on or the speed of it and everything. Just to kind of show you down the airflow of my plants here. So I have it on, I think, like a setting 2 or 3 right now, something low, but you can see all of the airflow that I'm getting, the movement that my plants are getting throughout the entire tent. Which is very important for any plants that you're growing to have just a nice little breeze. It keeps them strong and it keeps them healthy. So love my fan, highly recommend it. It's definitely something that you need in your tent.